So do you want to force restart or just reboot your Google Nest Doorbell, the battery version, the correct way in case you're having different types of issues with it? For that, first, you gotta remove the doorbell from its mount and from the base plate. Now, for better visibility, I'm gonna demonstrate the process up close. So you can take the included release tool or a paper clip if you don't have it, and just insert it into the small opening at the top of the doorbell. Just gently press inwards to release the doorbell from the mounting plate. Now, once it's removed, your work is simple. Flip the doorbell over and look at the back. Locate the small pinhole just near the USB-C charging port. So now you're going to use a paper clip, a pin, or a SIM ejector tool. Insert it and just press and hold this button inside for exactly 5 seconds until the white LED light appears on your doorbell. Now, this indicates that the doorbell is restarting. Now be careful not to hold the button for too long, as doing so might trigger a factory reset instead of a simple restart. And after it restarts, just give it a couple of minutes to connect to the Wi-Fi. And then just go ahead and mount it on the wall once again, and you're good to go. Thanks for your time.